Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist with 6 years of field experience as an appliance repair technician, and this is what to check before calling a tech when your washing machine is ripping or damaging laundry. Check all parts of the inside of the washing machine that laundry touches thoroughly for any debris, such as hairpins, staples, etc., or damaged parts. If parts are damaged and or there's debris that you're unable to remove, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. Make sure you're not overloading your washer and that laundry is not caught between the door and the gasket when you shut the door. For most washing machines, loading between halfway and 3/4 of the way is ideal. Refer to your washing machine's user manual for recommended loading minimums and maximums. Close all zippers, buttons, fasteners, etc., and turn clothing inside out if it has anything on it that may snag fabric. Put smaller items and items with thin straps in a mesh laundry bag that zips closed. These can be found easily by searching online. Verify that you're using the correct cycle for the laundry you're trying to wash by referring to your washer's user manual. Avoid washing heavy and light items together, for example, jeans and delicates, as heavy items may damage lighter items. And if your washer is still damaging laundry after trying all of the above, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. The complete What to Check Before Calling a Tech washing machine troubleshooting guide, along with troubleshooting guides for dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, and ranges, will be available at my Blink in Lio beginning January 31st, 2025.